We started out in 1974 as a branch office of Engineering Enterprises Incorporated, and our goal was to provide professional engineering services to underserved clients in northern Illinois. I'm Jim Michaels, the retired founder and CEO of Engineering Enterprises Incorporated. We located in Elburn because it was underserved and there was immediate work that was available. There were several reasons to establish EEI. One is I had previously worked for two other national organizations, and they changed or diminished my opportunities, one of which I had to travel quite a bit, from 25 to 40% of the time. And a reason to establish EEI was to be able to be home at night with my family and to become involved in our community. So I had three children, two boys and my daughter Denise, and therefore we wanted to watch them grow up, and we got involved in their school activities and things such as that.
I'm Denise Smiglerini. I'm Jim's daughter and CFO of EEI. EEI has always been a part of my life and our life. My mom was the corporate baker. Mm-hmm. So in the middle of the night, you would awake and smell the smell of cheesecake or something wonderful being baked so that we could bring it in for birthdays and anniversaries, as we still celebrate today.
My wife, Carol, was a very gregarious person and very charming. And rather than send a card to people saying thank you for working for EEI, she instituted preparing a breakfast treat or a treat for that person.
So I started in 1977 out of college, and I was the first engineer that Jim Michaels hired, and we were very small, 3-4 employees at the time. You know, that's how it began. There's some things that never changed, which was our commitment to clients. That's something that we've always prided ourselves on, and kind of that's been our foundation for the company, is our commitment to our clients and to getting, executing their vision. So some people think it's about projects. Yes, it's about projects, but it's really about people and how we interact with them and how we deliver for them. So that's been kind of a cornerstone for us, and it's never changed.
You can hire somebody to do any project. There's any number of different people that can do a project for you, but it's the relationship and the thoroughness of the EEI team that I appreciate about the projects that they do for us. EEI is working on a variety of different projects for us in the village. One of the projects that I'm really looking forward to with the EEI team is the new bike and pedestrian bridge that's going to be built over Arlington Heights Road. This bridge is not only to service the bike and pedestrian community, but it's really going to be a gateway project for our community. The relationships that EEI has not only with their clients like us, but also regulatory agencies like the IDNR and the IEPA have been very beneficial to the community.
I think there's a certain amount of trust that's built between EEI staff and our village staff and our village board here, having worked together for such a long time. I'm the young puppy in this. I've been around for 12 years, but as you see in every important meeting that we're at, every function that we're at, EEI is representing the village. I would say what sets them apart from the pack is their ability and their willingness to latch on to your issue and make it their own issue to solve, right? A lot of times our consultants get hired to solve a specific issue or a specific problem, and they don't just stop there. They look at big picture, holistically approached to solving exactly what's going on in your community.
You build trust over time. It doesn't happen overnight. But eventually you get to a point where you become a trusted advisor for communities, and probably one of the most rewarding things is to get into that position. And you start to bend the line between working for people and really being partners with them on projects. The ultimate goal is to get the community to where they want to go. You want to make sure you're giving them the advice that they need to be able to make the decision that's best for them.
One of those ways that we show that we better communities is our commitment to volunteering. We annually do several events, including volunteering at the Northern Illinois Food Bank. We participate in the Polar Plunge, which is an event for Special Olympics. as well as giving toys to the United Way Toy Drive in December, among many, many other events throughout the course of the year. And it was very satisfying to be able to do that because it has a clear and immediate impact for those folks in need in our local communities.
EEI is a family-oriented company. When I first came to EEI, it was very evident. As we became friends with our associates at EEI, we had the opportunity to spend time with their families. We continue to keep in touch with them as well as their children. We're starting to see the next generation get together and continue to grow as a family within and outside of the organization as well. What a great legacy Jim and Pete, our current and past teammates, have provided here at EEI. I look forward to our current and future teammates building on that foundation.
Our brand promise is outstanding service, every client, every day. Our ability to serve our clients with excellence starts with our commitment to being an employee-first organization.
I think that everybody has put their shoulder to the wheel and the task and have done a very good job. And, as you develop a company, you realize you can't do it alone. It takes a team to do it. And we chose some excellent team members, and they applied themselves very well.
It's amazing that we are here where we are and have grown so much, and it all basically began at a kitchen table, right?
It did, yeah.
I'm proud of how we began, where we are now, and the promising future that EEI has. I'm thankful and grateful for all the people that have helped us to build EEI and the relationships that we have.
Engineering Enterprises Incorporated will continue to prosper and to satisfy the needs of clients. They're working on some big projects, and they're bringing unique solutions to those projects.
Over the next 50 years, EEI will strive to have a controlled level of growth within the organization, to be able to provide more opportunities for our staff, but also to be able to extend our resources to be able to meet our client needs.
We would like to thank our clients, our business partners, and our staff for 50 incredible years. We hope that you will join us in continuing our commitment to excellence and bettering communities.